I'm Joyce from Anvi's Handicraft. Today I want to make the 2020 revise what happened with Anvi's in 2020 and share with you some news on 2021. So 2020 was a horrible year for all of us, I think, and entire the world with the pandemic and on. And I know there's a lot of hurt and loss, but also there were opportunities and changes. And for me, 2020 was a year of changes. Let's talk about this and celebrate the year with me. Okay, started my blog and YouTube channel finally. So I started to share my designs from 2019 on July. But during the lockdown of the pandemics, so I couldn't do anything and kids stay at home. So I decided to start my blog and YouTube channel, and managing three kids and business at the same time was not easy at all, but somehow I managed with the support of my lovely husband, and of course your support, my subscriber followers. you your support means a lot to me. Every single subscription, comment, like, they mean for me a lot. So please keep supporting me in 2021. I have also learned a lot from the journey being a blogger and YouTuber. I'm very new here, but I have learned a lot. I know how to build a website, how to build the landing page, how to film and make video. Of course, I need to improve a lot, but I enjoy the journey. And I think also, if you want to start something, please do it. Maybe it's not perfect, but at least you start. And I feel grateful that I started my blog and YouTube channels on 2020. So that's on 2021 I will grow it and also build the business based on my passion. So let's follow my YouTube channels and blog. I will share lots of handmade business building experience from my own experience. I'm no expert, but I'm sure that you will learn something. Another highlight I want to share with you is I have reached 55 patents. That means I added 37 patents in 2020 only. My amigurumi designs are easy and fun to make. Even you're a beginner, you can learn from class with my ultimate guide about amigurumis on my website or YouTube channel. You can learn from class. So don't worry, just enjoy it. Now let me share with you the sneak peek about 2021. First of all, we have one ZODIAC amigurumi crochet along throughout on the year. In 12 months, we will crochet together 12 amigurumis. So it's called Chinese, the ZODIAC animal, or Vietnamese because I'm Vietnamese. So monthly, we will have one pattern free on my website, and we crochet along and get one or two interesting giveaways at the end of every month. You can enter the giveaway on free plan. Just subscribe to my uh, newsletter or do some instructions like that later. And the second one you can choose is the subscribe to VIP plan. Free plan or VIP plan. Welcome and enjoy my crochet along with me. I can't wait to share with you this event. It's called CoCrochet Tour. In this event, we will meet and interview 12 amigurumi designers monthly. Let's look and figure out who will talk
in CoCrochet tour interview. Maybe you find someone familiar, of course they're famous, someone new, but I'm sure we will learn a lot from them. The journey is being amigurumi's designer, how to get inspiration, and a lot of things we can learn from them. Especially, every designer will have a special gift for my readers only. So please subscribe to my newsletter or YouTube channel to be updated about this CoCrochet tour with fabulous amigurumi designers from all over the world. Oh, I really don't want to miss this at all.
We will have quarterly blog hub. This year 2020, I was successful with my first blog hub with the 10th day of Christmas amigurumis. A lot of people send me message that, oh, I love it, it's so good, it's the best blog hop so far. So it motivated me to organize the quarterly blog hop. I will collaborate with others designer, crochet designer, to run the quarterly blog hop. The first one will be 30 days of love. So this about Valentine theme. You will find a lot of beautiful crochet pattern to make for your lover or to sell on Valentine's. On 30 days, we will have 30 patent PDF patent to download. So thus keep eyes on my blog, and it's better if you subscribe to my newsletter, so I will send you the email reminder. Believe me, you also don't want to miss this. And even me, I'm so excited. Like, it's amazing blog hop, connect to a lot of people, connect to a lot of designer, and I also get a lot of love from you guys. 30 days of love, be ready. This may be the most amazing news for me and for you as well, that I decided to launch my VIP choice membership. What you have here,
I designed a flexible plans for you to choose. Free, you can access to free PDF and printable pattern and VIP Facebook group. The online breed access lifetime to 2019 to 2020 patent library. With 2021 plan, you have a lifetime access to news upcoming patent in 2021, and also with the VIP child, you have access to everything.
1 year of full access to my growing patent library, download to all the freebies on my website, VIP entrance for the ZODIAC Amigurumi Crochet Along giveaway, and my live support. You can ask me anything.
To learn more about the VIP, try to sign yourself to waitlist with the link below.
Oh, I almost forgot one thing, that it's time for giveaway. Okay, 1 year's membership of VIP child for all my patent. Only one giveaway because it's valuable. So only one giveaway will be given to a winner. Thus surprise my channel, turn on the bell to receive the update, and also comment below one random number, because I will run the random program to choose the winner. And comment whatever you want to talk to me. I'm so excited, and I would love to listen from you guys what you want from me, and yeah, what event you want the most, whatever, just talk to me. Comment below, please. And good luck. The winner will be chosen on the last day of 2020 and will be announced on the second day of the 2021. I'm gonna get 1 day off. So yeah, good luck
And Happy New Year!